everyone, this is Poorman973, and... Sorry, I just saw a little black thing run across my... Anyway, I've got my graphics tablet. And, I was actually not expecting it until, the 3rd, at least. So, the fact that it showed up today is, just yay. Alright. That means I can start for this first year. Now, also included in this, will be the very first suggestion for, the drawing thing. And I've got it pulled up here, and, hold on. Move me out of the way here. Oh, whoa, that's, really big. How about we shrink that down just a tad there. Alright, shrink me down a little bit more here. Alright, here we go. This is, as I said, this is from a YouTube channel called Drawfee, and some guy, called Nick Glenn made this for them that basically had a bunch of their suggestions. But I figured I could probably use it for what I plan on doing, so we're just going to hit tell me what to draw, and that's what the competition will be from the 1st to the 7th? We'll go to the 1st, yeah, 1st to the 7th, give it about a week, and then a new one will be on the 8th. So, here we go. A woeful. I don't know what that is. Just in case, we'll try that again, because I don't know what a slimy robot. Handling a barrage of insults like a pro. Alright. I have no idea what that first one was, so I'm sorry. But there you go. That will be mine and your guys' first art assignment, a slimy robot handling a barrage of insults like a pro. Give it a go and make suggestions for drawings down in the comments below, and we'll start circling through those instead of using these drawing suggestion things. So, and let's break into this graphics tablet. Alright. Please visit this website to get the latest driver. Okay. Alright. Put the camera down a little lower. Whoa! It's not wanting to cooperate. There we go. Alright. Pop it out. And there we are. Alright, if I understand, basically you draw here, and these are like some shortcuts. Alright, so that's the main graphics tablet. Set that over here. Got something to wipe it down with. A two-fingered glove. Let's check it out. It's so that I guess you don't hurt your fingers while you're drawing or something. Is the pen really that painful? Check it out. Ah! Kitty! Don't do that! How do you... Wait, what fingers are you supposed to hold it in? Okay. So... how does this even work? Alright, so... ta-da? I don't know how that's supposed to work. Got some gloves. They've got, like, these little bumpy things. I don't know if you guys can see that. Ah! Stop trying to fall down. Help if I didn't put all that weight in the top. What is this? It's got a little foldy flap thing. Alright, what is this? Oh, it's a brush. I guess it's a different type of stylus or something? Ah! Ooh. Dropped. The other important part, the pen. Right. This is probably the cable that connects it to the computer instructions. Wait, which part is English? Okay. They've got quite a few languages in here. There's Japanese or Chinese. I think this might be German. Once again, Japanese or Chinese. Take out the pen. Warning, do not twist off the pen cap. Do not drop it from height. Oops. I might have already accidentally done that. It's just like a stylus pen. Alright. And then we have these bits. Alright, you can set the pen like this, and you can set the pen like that, I think. Is that how you charge it? Or does this just hold it? I'm gonna have to read the instructions. Yep. Change my camera angle again. Oh, hold on. Alright, so that's our first suggestion. A slimy robot handling a barrage of insults like a pro. And I will draw mine and present it on the 7th. And hopefully you guys will be able to do something similar. And this has been Poorman973, and I hope you all have a nice day.